PSL Pulse Bafethu is the Carling Knockout Cup final. Orlando Pirates 1, Maramo Gallants 0. Angiphethe Emmanuel la. Emmanuel, game yafana khona njalo ngathaka.
Sho bafo into yokucala bafo ngithanda ubonga imisebenzi wenu. Umsebenzi wenu omuhle bafethu. Yeah, so sisuka kude so supporta ibhola isenza sihlangana nabangana. Yeah, so let's build this friendship bafethu.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so ish.
Amen. Amen.
Shout out. Yeah, siyabonga bafethu.
So mangize game in bafo igame it was nice. And ibimnandi and it was entertaining football. So Maramo Gallants is a big team like Orlando Pirates. Once you figure team ifika ku final, you must underestimate it. The team. The team it's big. That's the reason ifika ku final. Khona ama team iwashayile. Nathi ishayile ithathele 3 points. Then this one it was a payback and a hard one. So it was coming in a hard way. So sibashayile ukuthi besithathele 3 points then thina sithatha icup la knockout la sithi khuwi uphumile then sathatha ama cup yethu then that other two yes ubhakaniya mfowethu yes Nedbank it's coming league is coming now ayikhohlwe mfowethu
Elongitshele mfowethu, what do you think of midfield Orlando Pirates in the second half after they eliminated uMakhehle neMakhawula?
no sibe bekhona la sibe silika khona kakhulu wabona coach wethu ubafuna ukusikhosta ngekuthi angakhiphi Nomtanjela was out of the game. Uyabona Mbatha was better than uNomtanjela kuthe kuphuma Mbatha then ba press phuma amahopa aba lamajito yabona because asanayo umuntu we-dangerous ephambili uyabona nale midfield isikhawukile simoshekile then until kufika uMaster Chef kwangena umfana uDanseni those two guys ilaba usunele igame uMaster Chef no Danseni ibo basunele igame definitely igame iPirates siwina ngamasub that's why we have a good coach we have got a good sub laba sinceda ukuthi siwina igame.
So ukuyivala in closing, looking at the side le Maramo Gallants, which player were you worried about ukuthi le ngase izosiqeda kancane?
Uyabona lo mfana lo uJersey number 12 lo uCladisa bafuna ukusibulala
kakhulu
then uNdlondlo uyabona nani sibe sikumaka njengamagwalo bamaganga abantu beyi2 yeah which it was good ukusebenzelile sometimes kusebenza kube igwala then it helps kusincedile if amake umuntu we1 uNdlondlo ubafana sibulele so big up to those two players so they show ukuthi ePirates bayeke ngemistake so they wanted to kill us so ngathathi isikhathi kakhulu because we are going back to Joburg now so bangaza basiya uyabona so no soli la ngizoba ngithi ngamcelela ukuthi ashaye kancane just ukuthi